We've been thinking of renovating our kitchen for like almost 2 years. And in 2025, we decided to go through HomeDesign. And we had a great experience with them. I felt like we were in good hands from the beginning. And we learned HomeDesign through
Facebook. I was just scrolling one day and I come across their promotion. I emailed them and they responded very quickly. And since then, they came, looked at our place and gave us a good quotation for how much the renovation is going to be.
In the process of our project, from the design, signing the contract, everything is well planned. They design, they guide us, because we don't have any experience about kitchen. And our plan in our kitchen is like a total renovation. We move our appliance, our refrigerator from one place to another. We added some areas in the kitchen. So we are a little bit apprehensive, and we want to make sure that we are in the right group or company, and all of these are delivered by HomeDesign. They are very patient to us. To be honest with you, it took us like maybe 4 months before we signed the contract, and they always say we completely understand that, and they were with us through the entire process of it by giving us all the tips, what to decide, making sure that we will be happy at the end of this project.
The workers that comes to our house, they're very on time. They're very trustworthy because I still do work. We both do work. So if we leave them in the house, knowing that, you got like some personal effects at home, you wanted to make sure that the people that you leave your house with, and we have a dog, they're very caring of our dog too. And it makes you comfortable that at the end of the day, when you come home, your house is it's still intact. Everything's at home. And they're very diligent in telling us what the project's going to happen for the day, what will be accomplished, and they hit all the markers that they promised that was going to happen for the entire day project, and for the entire months that they promised that they're going to deliver the house or the kitchen.
And also the most, but not the least, that I liked with HomeDesign, we never felt any pressure from them. Every time we have some changes in our plan, for them it's normal. And also the price. There's no hidden price. Whatever we agreed from the beginning, they are very specific. If we do this one, this will be the price. And which is very important to us because, our budget is also limited. At the same time, we want this project to be done on time. And the entire team, from workers to the office of HomeDesign, they're like family to us, and they treated us the same way. So it was a good experience, and I highly recommend HomeDesign if you need some renovation in your house. If you want peace of mind and at the same time within your budget, go to them. And of course, the quality is there.